Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have here a Emerson designer ceiling fan in Navajo white. Picked this fan up from Fanimation. Like I said, these next few fan videos are going to be Fanimation overhaul videos. Let me turn this light off. It's going to be fans I got from Fanimation. But yeah, I picked this fan up from there. It's textured white, Navajo white, however you want to call it. Has a little spots on it, gray spots. I haven't got around to cleaning it yet. I just took it off in the storage, the fan storage right there. Just hung it up here so I can test it out. It's not focusing. There we go. It's a really beautiful fan. It comes with the, of course, the one-piece pull chain with the textured canopy as well. I found it interesting that they got little. Let me get the step stool so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. And it's interesting they have these little twist things right here that you twist up to lock the canopy in place. I've never seen that before. It's usually screws. There's the Emerson logo. Like I said, I didn't clean this fan up. Yeah, I haven't cleaned any of the fans except the Hunters because they need some new oil, so it's cleaned out the oil cup in those. But yeah, this is a chocolate fan for me. Not in this exact finish though. It's a brown Emerson designer. Will be the exact chocolate fan for me. Without further ado, is turn it on low. Step over here. I always like the look of these fans. There's an IHOP nearby where I live at that has a good, probably about 6 of these in brown. I've only seen them on like a handful of times. They used to have one in the entrance with a little opal light kit on it, but they removed that fan for some reason. Nice little low speed. I actually like this low speed a lot. Now, if I had a light kit that matched this fan, like the exact finish, I would actually put it up somewhere in a room. But I don't, because all the rooms in my house need lights. Because I don't have like ceiling lights in the room, like little cam lights. So any fan that goes in the room is mandatory to have a light kit. All right, we'll go to medium. Pull chain is kind of oxidated too a little bit. I've tested a few of these fans from Fanimation, but I just haven't recorded it yet. So this is like my 5th fan I've tested from Fanimation, but this is the 2nd one I'm recording from Fanimation. I had a Kenroy tropical fan up here from Fanimation. I just never got around to recording it, and I took it down to put this one up. You can definitely feel the breeze from this fan if you're standing directly under it. And for a little bit back here, you can feel it. Now, if this fan had a light, I would put it in my kitchen in my other house, but I got a black Hunter original that will be going that spot in favor of my mom, because she wanted a black ceiling fan in the kitchen, so now I finally got one, and it's a Hunter original, so couldn't ask for anything better. This is giving out a pretty good breeze. Now we'll go to high. Yeah, you can definitely, I can definitely feel a nice breeze from this fan. It doesn't look like a fast fan, but it's definitely pushing out some air. with no wobble either. Yeah, this thing is definitely cranking out some air. This is my first ever Emerson ceiling fan. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, so spin down. So this video might cut out due to the fact that I don't have a lot of storage on my phone. So if it does cut out, thanks for watching and see you next time.